So in this one, what I'm going to do is just add a doorway to our first floor exit. So let's get started. So with the roof selected, I'm just going to rename layer 9 and call this roof. Press enter, and I'm just going to move that selected object and switch off the visibility. So I'm just going to come in over here then, and what I want to do is get an insertion point for a doorway. So I'm going to tab into edit mode and maybe select the two top verts here. If I press Z, bring up wireframe, I can just double check that I have the correct two vertices. Shift S, cursor to selected. I can tab back to object mode. I'm just going to press Z and bring up solid. So I'm going to come over to create, and I'm going to select door, and for this it's just going to be the 80 by 200. I'm going to press RZ -90, press enter, and if I come over to the properties, then I can adjust some of this. So for the model, for number 3 with the glass inset, just zoom in here, actually come back around to the back here. I want to increase the offset there. 3 cm would be pretty good. And for the panels, I'm just going to reduce the border, have an almost glass, fully glass door. Just want to incorporate the handle there, so maybe something like that. Pretty good. I need to increase the width, so I can zoom in here, just make sure that I'm getting this close. Okay, pretty good. And the other thing is I need to just drag this back, so I'll just drag it back here like this. I can press GX and just snap that to that level. I'm going to tab into edit mode with the frame selected and select the top verts here. So there's 6 vertices to select, and I'm going to press GZ and snap that up there, and just to fill in that gap there. Okay, and that's pretty much my doorway. Okay, I'm just going to switch off the manipulate. Okay, and that's not looking too bad, and I think that's going to do it for this one.